All right, hey guys, with the checking in here, and today we're going to do a quick unboxing of a new Seiko I picked up. I've been perusing eBay, and I need to stop doing that because I find discount watches at discount prices. This was an open box special that I got from a dealer on eBay. So I went ahead and picked it up, got a really good deal on it, so we're going to unbox it. On my wrist today is the Tudor FXD Black, which is a favorite watch of mine. This is actually on a tactical frog strap that I bought because I like these tactical frog straps a lot. And on my other wrist, I've got my Prometheus Design Works titanium wrist compass, which is kind of cool, and then a bracelet I bought at the beach a few weeks ago. But I've been wearing my wrist compass separate of my watch. I know a lot of people put them on here. First of all, I don't need a compass every day, so it's more a piece of jewelry. So I figured, hey, put it on a strap, throw it on the other wrist with your bracelet. I don't know. What do you think? Kind of cool. Not tactical, but looks tactical. Anyways, let's check out this new Seiko. So here's the box that you'd expect here. And here's some information here on the back side of it. You guys can see this is the SRPK67, which a lot of people know as the reissue of a Rally Diver from back in the day. And here we have the SRP Seiko Sports 5, and the retail price is $350. I paid just under $200 for this watch with shipping and everything like that. So it was an open box special. So inside of here, it looks like we have maybe a little warranty card of some sort. Yep, it's going to be your warranty card here. So you do get the warranty card with the watch, and not signed or anything like that. So if you want to fill that out and get that sent in, that's great. There you have that information. Off to the side here we have the trusted and beloved Seiko SKX007. Love this watch. And this watch, if you guys knew the new Seiko 5 or the SK series, I guess people call it, this is in that same line. So in that same design, case design of the original Seiko SKX and 7000 series going way back. So all right, let's pull this out of here and get this stuff out of the way and take a look at this Seiko Rally Diver here. So let's go ahead and get this one running. Give it a little shimmy, shimmy, shake as you need to. And now this is a non-screw down crown with the Seiko 5 model, so I can also hand wind it here. This is the Seiko NH36 movement. If you guys know the difference between the NH35 and the NH36, it's that day complication over there. The NH36 is a day date, the NH35 is a date only. So really cool looking timepiece. We could go ahead and pull it out. You'll see it's a hacking movement, meaning it stops that second hand when you pull that crown all the way out. We'll get these hands in a better position here for viewing and talking about this watch. And man, this is a really, really cool piece. Now, didn't want this as a diver's watch or anything. It's really this checkerboard design here that really drew me to this watch. So I'm a kid of the late 70s and 80s. Graduated from high school in 1988. So checkerboard bands, big deal, real big deal. As a matter of fact, I have a pair of black ones, black and white ones, as well as a pair of blue checkerboard Vans. So this is going to be my checkerboard van watch that I wear with my van. So pretty cool. I've got the blue going on there on the dial, as you guys can see around the indices here with that blue and white pattern. Then you've got the black and white on the bezel itself. Black dial on the background. This is available with a blue dial as well, and I think some blue on the bezel. Let's listen to that bezel action. Nice clean 120 click bezel on this one, and locks in right there. You don't have the arrow, excuse me about that. You don't have the arrow up there at the pip, so that probably makes it a little bit easier to line up. One of the things I did notice in the sale was this one says made in Japan right on the dial, which I think is really, really cool. Your typical kind of oyster style bracelet, you'd say, from Seiko, which has all the stickers and everything on it. So I'll do a follow-up review once I've had this watch for a couple weeks, and we'll talk a little bit more about it. Display case back showing that Seiko NH36. Nothing fancy with this movement. You got 24 joules, about a 40-hour power reserve. As I said, hacking, which means it stops when you pull out the crown, as well as hand windable. Non-screw down crown, you can wind that from that position there. But really good looking timepiece. This has just been kind of a quick unboxing of this timepiece. If you're thinking about getting one, be sure to hit that bell, that like icon down there, so you can see the follow-up video for the full review on this timepiece. But let me know what you guys think of this Rally Diver reissue, especially at a price under $200. I think this is a really great watch if you can find them out there at that screaming deal, which you can usually find discounts on eBay. So, all right, guys, that's been a quick unboxing of this new watch. added to the collection. We'll do a follow-up video here in a couple weeks. Nice pierced lugs for strap changes. So cool. Like the video, give me a thumbs up down there at the bottom. And if you've not subscribed to the OFD channel yet, please do. Please do. Thanks, guys.